It's not just that Donald Trump has said that he thinks the $7.25 minimum wage is just fine. We don't have to raise it. It's not just that Donald Trump has said that he thinks wages in America are too high. It is that the American people are not going to elect a president who insults Mexicans and Latinos, who insults Muslims, who insults women, who insults veterans, who insults African Americans. Do not forget that it was Donald Trump who was one of the leaders of the so-called Birther movement, an effort to try to delegitimize the presidency of the first African-American president we have ever had.